Dr. Paul, how are you?
I am fine, thanks.
Okay, so you're a part of the advanced team or you're part of the main team?
I'm part of the advanced team going to St. Thomas,
All right, so
yes.
tell us what are you going down there to do so early in the morning?
We're going to start setting up the venue and getting everything ready so when the greater team comes, they're ready to work.
Right. How many years have you been volunteering with the Charity Foundation?
Since 2017, so
And my big question for you is why do you keep coming back?
I love the work we do and I love Jamaica and anything I can do for Jamaican people, I will do it. Jaja Foundation, one love.
Nurse Hines, Dave Hines from Jaja Foundation, Jacoby team.
Right, so you're a part of the early mission that's heading down to St. Thomas. Tell us what you're going down there to do.
All right, so as an advanced team, there are about 5 of us. We're gonna go out there, just look at the place, set it up so that, we have, like, say, dental where water is, and then we make sure that nursing has their set, GYN have their set, so everybody is ready to go. All supplies are in place so that when the main team gets there, there's no work to be done. We can do more work, spend more time with our community, get things done quicker.
So how many years have you been volunteering at the Charity Foundation?
About 4 years.
Okay. Why do you keep coming back?
I keep coming back because this gives me a sense of belonging, a sense of wanting to give back. It gives me a fulfilling feeling to know that you can give back to the less fortunate.
Well, thank you for your service. We appreciate it. Okay?
You're welcome.
Morning, morning, morning.
Good morning.
Yeah, I'm excited. I'm excited to be part of the advanced team. We're gonna go and see what's out there and come back.
Okay, well, thank you for your service. And it's your turn.
No.
It is.
Bye. Soraya Darwin, Family Medicine.
All right. How does it feel to be volunteering at the Charity Foundation on the mission to change 2024?
It feels good. It's my first mission like this, so it's good.
And you're a part of the advanced team going to St. Thomas right now?
Yes, I woke up bright and early to go check out the scene and come back.
Why is it so important to give back to your country?
I feel a sense of duty. They're the country that made me who I am. And there are a lot of people that I love that still live here. I want to see the people of Jamaica have health equity the way that all other places do. So whilst they made me who I am and I went away to gain resources and knowledge, I want to be able to bring that back to benefit them.
Thank you for volunteering. Okay?
Thank you for having me.
Good morning, we're here with Patricia. How are you, Patricia?
Good morning, how are you?
Patricia.
Patricia.
Patricia, you're up bright and early. Are you excited about today's mission?
Yes, I am.
Yeah?
Yes.
Why is it so important for you to keep giving back to your country?
Well, the people need it. The people of Jamaica need it. So I'm glad to have the opportunity to help the team give back. Yeah. Yeah.
Well, thank you for your service, okay?
Thank you.
Over a special man here. Please introduce yourself, sir.
Desmond Shepherd.
Mr. Shepherd,
Yes, sir.
I noticed that you're not only volunteering at time, you're volunteering here at the truck.
Yes. You know, you know, so this has to be a special occasion for my truck to be on service.
Because I know this is a very special truck.
It's a 97 L200 Mitsubishi turbo diesel.
Last year you donated it for us. We used it last year.
Yes, we did.
This year again, yeah?
Yes, sir.
Well, I want to say you and your wife do great work in giving back to Jamaica. I want to say to you on behalf of the beautiful people of Jamaica, thank you very much. But why do you keep doing it? Why do you keep giving back?
Well, first of all, when I heard Jaja, Jamaicans abroad helping Jamaicans at home, it hit me right here. And I'm always like that. And my wife loves Jamaica. She loves the people of Jamaica. We have our home here too, so it's home. And even though we're abroad, that doesn't mean we can't help our folks at home. And so this is all we have given back. And I just love it. And I'll continue doing it as long as I can breathe.
We appreciate you, and I hear everyone rocking some nice, beautiful music.
Yeah, man, of course.
Yeah, man. Big up yourself.
All right.
Hear that?
No, you come.
So you driving with me, ladies? You riding with me?
That's an antique truck, you know.
Yes!
Make sure they sit down properly and don't mess up the one truck. Okay? Don't mess up that truck. Ready, Dave?
Yeah.
All right, Dave, have a good time.
All right, thank you. See you later.
Nice. Love it. Dada Foundation.
Jamaicans abroad helping Jamaicans at home. Jaja Foundation.